Stop everybody, support heavy crypto back for a video, baby. Yo, bro, like, never tested algo before, but like, this is what I got. I check the price on the internet, and like, you know what I mean, bro? It's crazy, bro. Yeah, bro, I got all the gems in and stuff like that. You know what I mean, bro? It's so. Bro, just like.
Have a talk, intro, nothing? Okay. Guys, we're going in now. This is where you get all the expensive, exotic alcohol. Out here.
Oh, this is amazing.
We finally got the bottle, eh?
You don't understand how I was shouting when I saw the order come through.
Here we go.
This is amazing.
What's the name of the establishment?
Mother City Liquor.
This is Mother City Liquor. Look at this. Wow. You don't find this nowhere in Cape Town.
So, heavy crypto. Church center.
Yeah. You guys can follow.
Yeah,
give us an intro.
an intro. Well, basically,
Tell us about your journey.
yeah.
What you doing.
So basically, this was the 6th bottle that I was selling in a journey of flipping 1,000 rand into 50,000 rand. So I started with a budget of 1,000 rand, and I've just been buying bottles of whiskey and flipping it until I reach that
Give us some where we
50K.
can find you. Contact
Mother
you
City
guys.
Liquor.co.za. We found on TikTok,
Any
MCL
socials?
Daily, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Facebook, Twitter. Yeah, everywhere.
Perfect, all the same name.
All the same name, Mother City Liquor everywhere.
Great stuff. Yeah, guys, we're
That
out
is
here.
amazing.
Here's the P2C solution. Yeah, what's that? Hey,
Glad that we got this sorted.
Yeah, drink it. Have a sip, open it. We
Ah,
wanted to
no.
drink
Yes,
it. Taste this one, taste it. Okay. We take it easy for tomorrow. Okay, great stuff.
Tomorrow, what's happening tomorrow?
Chili balls.
You take it
Every
as the
day.
chili ball.
I know.
If you guys want to come join, we're doing a seminar there and then we're gonna party afterwards.
Oh, shit.
I'm sure you'll just end up taking that home, bro.
Sweet, are we done?
You as well.
Here we go.
Yeah. Okay, sure to take a video of you, but you can put this time now.
I don't even know what to say. This is a lot. I didn't want to say much. I just wanted to say that he collected it. Was this my 6th bottle? Let me just check. I don't want to lie to my people. Let me check. Is this like what influencers do? They just video each other the whole time. How do you guys deal?
Ask Arthur. I'm still on the ride. You just want to be
What a
like,
great whiskey to
person.
choose. Okay. And do you mind being on TikTok or anything like that? Okay, cool. So this is Arthur, and he's the person that bought the 6th bottle. And Arthur's actually going to drink this. I think this is
This is gonna be
insane.
my first time drinking alcohol, guys.
No! Arthur is
A legend.
the man. He really is the man. Arthur, you have to enjoy it. This one is
Sweet.
amazing. This
they even
one,
got a matching phone case just for that bottle.
this one is amazing. Shit, man. Yo, enjoy it.
Thank you.
Enjoy it. Definitely enjoy it.
Oh.
The first time drinking alcohol, I can't believe it.
Sup everybody, support heavy crypto back for a video, baby. So I'm in Cape Town right now, and guess who I'm with? This
What's
guy.
going on, guys?
This guy is a master of P2P in Cape Town, and he's gonna tell us his story and what he's about to do.
100% guys, you're going to be seeing a lot of me over the next week. We're going to do a whole bunch of P2P. You're going to be learning how to be a currency converter internationally.
He made over 200,000 trading P2P, guys. You don't wanna miss out, chase, guys. That's all mine, man. I can handle it.
What is going on here? Why are you back? It's made for England.
It's very spicy. I'm a lot of that. Is it going to be quite
ridiculous. Yeah, no, I was just telling Arthur now about how crazy the story is of some of our P2P guys.
Yo.
You know, we have guys that really started as
How much did you start with?
literally basically nothing. He was pretty much borrowing money in order to, you know, get started with us and stuff like that. I mean, he was making like $6,000 a month. You know exactly who you are. Who I'm telling the story about.
Can you imagine this, bro? Making 6,000, bro, a month. Like, that's crazy, bro.
6,000 rand a month, had to cover all of his expenses. He still had rent to pay, still had all of this stuff.
Wait, did you mentor him?
Yes. It was, you know, back when I first just started the trade center, he was one of the first people that came on. And yeah, from $6,000 a month, he doesn't like it when I talk all of these numbers.
Wow.
All I'm gonna say is that he made over 6 figures, you know, in the space of less than 60 days with the trade center. So it's quite well. And not only that, but he also mentored somebody himself who also in their first month made over 6 figures. Storm and Josh, you guys will see them on the front page of the Trade Center website. So check that out and you'll be able to see
The
them. in
link
all
is
the
going to be in the
testimonials.
description below, guys.
Lovely,
The
guys.
link is going to be in the description below. So, like, what's up with this whole thing about arbitrage? Like, what do you think about arbitrage?
Bro, I love arbitrage. Arbitrage is basically P2P trading,
Yeah.
but it's between exchanges. So, like, if you break down what P2P trading really is, it's buying crypto from one client at a cheaper price and selling to another client at a more expensive price.
Exactly.
So that's the same thing that arbitrage is, but with exchanges.
Yeah. How many trades have you done on Paxful?
I maybe do like, you know, 200 or 300 a month. So, I don't know, in the time that I've been on Pax, maybe over 10,000.
Do you think Paxful is safe?
Yeah, look, at the end of the day, an exchange is more like a meeting place for you and your client. Once you have the client, it's about building up rapport with that client. Then it doesn't matter which exchange you're on. The exchange in the first place is just to meet the client. Because after you've met the client, you can take them to any exchange. So Paxful is just one of them. Also, links for Paxful and all of that in the description as well.
So what's gonna be like? What's the process like if I wanna join your mentorship program?
So basically what you do is you go onto our website, www.thetradecenter.co.za, and you click on the join now button, or you chat with us on the WhatsApp link, you know, that's on the website, and one of our mentors will reach out to you and you'll be able to get a one-on-one mentor when you're signing on. The best part, in my opinion, about the Trade Center is the fact that you get that one-on-one attention and you're basically forcing yourself to get into profitability.
Exactly.
Because there's tons of people that's, you know, you're constantly being surrounded with who are doing the same thing, that you can talk to, ask questions, and, you know, get yourself there. You can even do trades with these people as well. So yeah, you sign on the Trade Center, on the Trade Center website. A one-on-one mentor gets assigned to you. It works out to 48K for the year, but if you pay up front, then you get a 20% discount. So it's 40,000, broken down into 4,000 rand a month. So the best part, in my opinion, is the fact that there's a money-back guarantee. So if in your first 30 days you don't make more than 4,000 rand with your mentor, which is ridiculous, it means that you were probably a little bit lazy, then I give you your money back and you can walk away. But obviously if you make the 4K, then you're with us and you're going to be making tons of money with the community. We've got over 50 people in the community at this point, all of which who have given a video and said that they've made money and are currently profitable in the system. So yeah, we've got something like a 80-85% success rate over here, guys. So give it a go. You almost have nothing to, you actually have nothing to lose. So yeah, give it a go, because we talk about everything when it comes to crypto. So we've got mentors in here that talk about direct P2P. We've got Arthur that does the derivative trades and looks for arbitrage opportunities constantly. And my guys are mostly focused on, you know, building a sustainable business, you know. So you want to be able to build a client book. You're not hoping on the market to move in your direction, you know what I mean? So at least with this, you can build up the funds to try out the other avenues in crypto that require a little bit more risk, you know what I mean? So with the arbitrage, or not an arbitrage, with the derivative trade, for example, if you get the direction wrong, unfortunately you're going to lose money. But with this P2P trade, you're taking a service fee for providing a service to a client, whether it be paying for his Airbnb or whatever in rands, and then receiving crypto. So yeah, guys.
Alright guys, so you all know that I'm actually like good in trading and I trade derivatives and stuff like that. But like if you're a newbie or a beginner, I suggest that you stick to P2P trading. And this guy is gonna show you pretty much anything about P2P trading. So make sure you click the link in the description below. Therefore, let's start the video. Love and peace, cheers. What's the name of this place?
Mojo Market. Yeah.
This is my day in life, guys. I'm out here trying to get some vodka and all that stuff.
Cheers.
Where's TJ? Where's TJ?
Parking the car. This new flavor is the vodka coffee.
I'm always inside trading, doing all that stuff.
We are by the sound tracking relationship.
A chicken, eh? What is it called? Beef, yeah.
Beef and pork.
Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. So right now I'm with P2P Master and he's gonna explain to us how he makes his money, bro. Like this is crazy, bro. This guy make money like crazy and he's gonna tell me how he does what he does. So hey yo bro, what's up with you?
What's good, everybody? My name's Yoshin, aka Rands for Bitcoin, head of the Trade Center. And yeah, guys, look, what we do is very simple. It's basically just arbitrage or like a currency conversion company. Look, over here, we buy crypto at a discounted price and then we sell it at a slightly higher price. So over here, you can see I made a bank transfer of 610,000 Rand and I received 622,000 Rand. That's a 12,000 Rand profit. Plus, there's a price difference, you know, between platforms and things like that. But look, guys, if you want to learn about P2P trading and how to, you know, do exactly what we're doing. Oop, watch out. Here we go, the Trade Center. Check it out, guys. You can check out our website, www.thetradecenter. You can learn exactly how to trade how we do. You can pick your mentor over here. On the top right-hand corner, you click on that three little prong thing over there. Click on testimonials, and you can see everybody that's been successful in this business, how they've done it, and what they've had to say. Check it out over here, guys. Here's all the different videos. Boom. Just like that, pops up and you can see all about what we're doing. We're also offering accounting services. Yeah, and for the... Oh. Go check it out, check it out. Okay, yeah, cool. So you go onto this website and you'll be able to find all our social medias. You'll be able to see all the different testimonies of the different people that have been successful in this business. And yeah, you can reach out to us on WhatsApp and get into contact. And if you're interested, we'll send you over all the documents. You can read it out, sign the agreement, and then come join us. Cool. So I'm going to show you guys one of our members who've actually been able to build up his account over to more than 6 figures. Introducing Josh, our mentor at the Trade Center. Cool.
Hey, how's it everybody? My name is Josh. I joined the Trade Center like 4 months ago, thanks to Ocean. Coerced me into it. But yeah guys, so I just want to show you one quick trade that I made the other day. Okay, and guys, keep in mind that this is a regular customer, so we didn't start off doing these amounts. But yeah, as you build relationships now with your clients, more and more so, they will start sending you bigger amounts of money and all that sort of thing because they want more crypto. Alright, so just one important aspect of this business is you build relationships with clients, you keep them happy, and you will be A for away, man. Alright, so as you can see on this trade, he sent me 28,000 Rand, okay, for 22,000 Rand worth of Bitcoin. So that's almost a 6K profit in one trade, okay? So yeah, if you're making multiple trades like this a day, you're making all that amount of profit every single trade, okay? Even one a day, 6K a day. You multiply that by 30, that's over 100K a month, right? So yeah, guys, this is well worth it. It's been a ride, and yeah, what can I say? Just join.
And another question, Josh, did you have to put all of your money in there, or did the traders just send you those funds first?
I didn't have to put my money into some of these trades. So what you do is when you build up your regulars, they just start sending you money, and then you can fund the trade.
So exactly, guys, look, that's how guys have been able to build up their small accounts up to huge accounts, because of the fact that once you get regulars in that trust you, they start sending you funds first. So even if you're only coming in starting with 2, 3, 4,000 Rand, you can build up your regulars and let the trust build so that they actually send you funds first. Guys will send 50, 100, 150,000 Rand over to you, where you can charge a margin of 20, 30% depending on the transaction itself. You know, so definitely check it out, guys. We've got 6 different income streams between derivative trading, spot trading, copy trading, drop shipping. We show people how to post ads on Redbubble to make money. So we've just got a community of people that are dedicated to making money online, guys. And if you want to be part of that community, come to www.thetradecenter.co.za and you know, message us on WhatsApp or hit us up on Instagram or however you want to reach out. But reach out. We'll see you guys soon.
Yeah guys, and if you're worried about taking the leap, all I gotta say is just you gotta take the jump, because you either sink or you swim, and trust me, if you have faith you will swim. So yeah guys, join, sign up today if you want to, if you must, and yeah, come join the Trade Center.
Yeah guys, welcome everybody. Please join Trade Center, and if you do join, you're not gonna fucking regret this opportunity. It's opportunity of a lifetime, you know. You gotta work hard to make the money. It's not easy scheme here. You gotta work, put in the work, put in the hours, those late nights, and you will achieve it. You will achieve all the money you need at the tradecenter.co.za.
Love it. See you guys there. Trade Center.